Today, we will be taking a look at the recently released Zorin OS 17 and its new features. Firstly, Zorin OS 17 comes with two new layouts, a Chrome OS style layout and a GNOME 2-like layout. However, these, along with a few other layouts, can only be used if you have Zorin OS Pro. Zorin OS now also comes with GNOME 43, therefore also including horizontal workspaces, gestures, LibreWrite, and all the features of the GNOME 4X series, such as a better software center and apps, a new quick settings menu, adjustable power modes, a new screenshot and screencast tool, and more. The menu search is now faster and universal, now allowing you to search for files, contacts, apps, and more. You can even use the menu search as a calculator. Speaking of the Zorin menu, in the default menu layout, there is a new All Apps button that will list all of your apps in alphabetical order. In the Effects section in Zorin Appearance, you can enable Spatial Desktop, which adds a 3D cube effect to the workspaces and window switcher. Zorin OS also now has a new logo type and a new theme that works with GTK4 and LibreWrite apps. Zorin OS also includes other features like advanced window tiling, which you can enable in the Interface section in Zorin Appearance, faster and smoother performance, parental controls, less pre-installed apps for the sake of simplicity, better hardware support, better remote desktop sharing with the RDP protocol by default and the possibility to use VNC, and more. Zorin OS will also be supported until at least June 2027, making it a very stable and reliable offering in the Linux space. Like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss our awesome Linux and tech videos, and join the PenguinByte Discord community with the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.